Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Lamborghini Aventador. First, gather all your necessary tools and the correct type of new oil. Make sure the engine is warm, but not too hot, as this helps the oil drain more effectively. Always prioritize safety by properly lifting the car and securing it on sturdy jack stands before you begin any work underneath. Now, let's get to draining the old oil. You'll need to locate and carefully remove the engine's drain plugs. There are usually a few on an Aventador, so be thorough. Let all the old oil drain completely into a suitable collection pan. Once drained, inspect your drain plugs for any damage and always replace the crush washers to ensure a proper seal. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, after a big project like this, you might be hungry. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Next up is replacing the oil filter. Locate the old oil filter, which might be in a slightly tricky spot, and carefully remove it. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Then, screw on the new oil filter by hand until it's snug, but do not over-tighten it. With the new filter in place, it's time to refill. Reinstall all the drain plugs you removed earlier, making sure they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, carefully add the specified amount of new, high-quality engine oil. After adding, start the engine briefly, then check the oil level again and thoroughly inspect for any signs of leaks around the plugs or filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.